In a dazzling debut at Monaco, the Bertone GB110 has transitioned from a visionary concept to a tangible masterpiece, captivating automotive enthusiasts with its striking design and advanced engineering. Developed by the iconic Italian design house Bertone, this hypercar represents a harmonious blend of futuristic aesthetics and high-performance capabilities, marking a triumphant return to the forefront of automotive innovation. The journey of the GB110 began as a digital concept, where Bertone's design team pushed the boundaries of creativity and technology to envision a hypercar that would redefine automotive design norms. Drawing inspiration from the legacy of Bertone's past creations and incorporating cutting-edge aerodynamics, the GB110 emerged as a beacon of innovation in the virtual realm. Now, making its debut in Monaco, the GB110 has transitioned seamlessly into physical form, showcasing Bertone's mastery of automotive craftsmanship and design. Every curve and contour of the hypercar's sculpted body reflects meticulous attention to detail, enhancing both aerodynamic efficiency and visual allure. From its aggressive front fascia to the sleek lines that flow seamlessly towards the rear, the GB110 exudes an aura of sophistication and performance. Underneath its captivating exterior, the GB110 boasts a formidable powertrain engineered to deliver exhilarating performance on the road and track. While specific details on its engine and performance metrics are yet to be fully disclosed, Bertone's reputation suggests that the GB110 will offer a blend of electrifying acceleration, precise handling, and an auditory symphony that resonates with automotive purists. Inside the cockpit, the GB110 envelops occupants in a luxurious ambience that combines bespoke craftsmanship with state-of-the-art technology. Premium materials, ergonomic seating, and intuitive controls create an environment tailored for both driver and passenger comfort, ensuring that every journey is as exhilarating as it is refined. Beyond its aesthetic and performance credentials, the GB110 represents Bertone's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive design and engineering. By seamlessly translating a virtual concept into a physical reality, Bertone has demonstrated its ability to evolve with the times while preserving its legacy of innovation and artistry. The debut of the GB110 in Monaco underscores its exclusivity and desirability among automotive enthusiasts and collectors alike. As a limited production hypercar, it offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that marries cutting-edge technology with timeless design principles. In conclusion, the Bertone GB110 is more than just a hypercar. It is a testament to the enduring allure of automotive design and the limitless possibilities of innovation. From its origins in the digital realm to its triumphant debut in Monaco, the GB110 exemplifies Bertone's dedication to pushing boundaries and creating automotive masterpieces that captivate the imagination and redefine expectations.